Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, let's jump right in. When you're surfing the web, what do you automatically trust the most? For most people, it's got to be these, right? .gov and .edu, the absolute gold standard. But what if I told you hackers are now turning that trust into a weapon? It's pretty scary. It's called CCTLD manipulation, but you can just think of it as reputation hijacking. They're stealing trust. So a scam site inherits good rankings just by getting a link from a trusted one. No effort needed. So how do they pull this off? Well, it's a pretty slick 3-step trick to fool search engines. And this isn't just theory, Let's look at a real wild example of this hack. Check this out. A university in Taiwan got hit. Scammers snuck in a link to a gambling site. So Google saw that trusted.edu link and thought, hey, this gambling site must be legit. And that's the whole illusion. What looks super safe could actually be a doorway to some nasty scams. This all means we really need some new rules for trusting what we see online. Here's the deal. So what's the bottom line here? It's simple. Trust, but you've got to verify. Stay skeptical. Subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.